Raise your hand if your budget has more holes than that old sweater you got for Christmas 15 years ago. Yeah, we've all been there. You start strong, then life hits. Suddenly, you're debating whether Uber Eats counts as groceries. Spoiler, it doesn't. But here's the good news. Sticking to a budget isn't about being a spreadsheet wizard. It's about 3 stupid simple rules. Let's fix your money leaks before you accidentally fund another Netflix documentary about someone else's financial glow up. Rule number 1. Give your inner shopaholic a playground. Most budgets fail because they're too restrictive. You are not a robot. If you ban all fun, you'll rebel faster than a toddler who's been denied candy. Instead, set aside 10% of your income for guilt-free chaos. Want a latte? Grab it. Crave sushi Friday? Go wild. But once the 10% is gone, no cheating and no exceptions. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle. Rule number 2, the out of sight, out of mind hack. Your biggest enemy? Your own brain. If it sees the money, it spends money. So automate like your sanity depends on it. Paycheck hits? Immediately funnel cash into separate accounts. Bills, savings, guilt-free spending. Name them something unsexy like rent fund or emergency tacos. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Rule number 3, date your money. It's less awkward than Tinder. Budgeting isn't a one-night stand. Set a weekly money date. Grab coffee, open your banking app, and spend 5 minutes adulting. Did you blow $50 on impulse candles? Adjust next week's fun. Nail the grocery budget. Do a tiny victory dance. These check-ins are like flossing. Boring, but they prevent disasters. The big secret nobody tells you. Perfect budgets don't exist. Seriously. Even Warren Buffett probably overspends on ketchup. The goal isn't to be a robot, it's to be consistent. Mess up? Cool. Adjust. Repeat. Those $5 you saved this week? That's $260 a year. Multiply by 5 years and you got yourself a vacation. Your future self isn't judging your latte habit. They're too busy sipping margaritas on a beach you funded. So here's your homework. Set up auto transfers today. Name your savings account something ridiculous. Ferrari fund works. Go buy that latte. You've earned it. Commit now. Comment budgeting boss if you're ready to stop crying over bank statements. Now, go out there and make your money behave. Or at least stop funding Netflix's next true crime series about your spending habits. Bye!